Attorney
Are you
Rodriguez,
saying
not to
that
mention the
the-
damage to freedom of expression, which you, oddly enough, claim to protect as well. Go ahead.
Are you saying that when Bongbong Marcos, assuming he will step down, we will abandon the 1987 Constitution and skip the rule on succession? You've mentioned about murder. Meron bang kasong murder ang Vice President, Carmina?
I'm talking
May
about
magagawa ba
another
tayo
dynasty.
kung
She's
siya
another member.
ang naging
She's a family
halal na
member of
pangalawang
another
Pangulo
dynasty.
na mas malaki ang boto sa Pangulo? Wala tayong magagawa ron. I never advocated anything that is outside of the constitutional loop or constitutional orbit.
But here's the thing.
Vice
Here's the
President,
thing.
and by the rule on succession, when the President is no longer capacitated to govern, the Vice President shall assume the role of the President.
But how
Wala
can
akong
you-
magagawa ron. Hindi ko inimbento yun. Hindi mo inimbento yun. Iyan ang ating saligang
But
batas.
how can you, Attorney Rodriguez, separate your advocacy for anti-corruption from this constitutional succession, as you said? The Vice President, who stands to benefit from your call, is also mired herself in corruption allegations. How does that reconcile with your anti-corruption advocacy?
As a media practitioner, alam mo na walang ini-issue at clear na ng Commission on Audit ang Office of the Vice President kung ang pinatutukuyan mo ay yung paggamit ng intelligence funds. At walang nakabinbin na anumang kaso or impeachment laban sa pangalawang Pangulo. So yung iyong sinasabi na meron siyang issue ng korupsyon, yan ay gawa-gawa. Nakikita naman natin nung makakaliwang grupo na ayaw nang makabalik ang tatak Duterte na serbisyo. But hindi siguro tayo matatapos dito kahit maghapon tayo sa iyong programa. Ang aking tugon doon sa iyong katanungan kung sakaling bumaba ang kasalukuyang Pangulo, naturalmente umiiral ang ating saligang batas, ang Vice-Presidente ang siyang hahalili sa mababakanting posisyon. Wala akong magagawa doon, wala kang magagawa. Hindi natin pareho imbensyon yan. Iyan ay nakasulat, nakagarantya at nakaukit sa ating 1987 Constitution.
Again, people are saying, or at least there are groups who are saying, why stop at the president? Why not include the vice president as well? Yun ang sinasabi ng iba. Ang panawagan, hindi lamang ang iisa ang dapat mag-resign, kundi lahat na mag-resign because they have disappointed the Filipino people. But we're going to have to leave it at that. As you said, pwede tayong maghapon magdiskusyon. But I appreciate your time being with us this afternoon. Former Executive Secretary Vic Rodriguez there joining us. Maraming salamat po.
Salamat.